One little spritz and we should have her. There we go. Ready to go. Farming can be frustrating. I'm crying because I got smoke in my eye. Look, why don't I just do it and then I'll show you. You can usually tell what kind of day you're gonna have when you can't find your work gloves. I know I put them in here. Well, I guess today we'll just be using our man hands. What I want to do is I want to thin out some of the old raspberry canes that, just the old ones, the dead ones, so that I can clip them off and that the new ones will grow up better. Now you can probably see that the new canes are doing quite well. Like these guys are nice, new, very green, growing up really nicely, but these old canes are just taking up space. They're in the way for them to be able to fruit fully and properly. So these haven't been clipped in a few years. I'm just trying to get rid of all the old canes that don't need to be here so that they can grow up into big, healthy raspberry bushes. Technically aren't my berries, these are Nanny's, and look who just showed up. Mom and Nanny. So she can approve or disapprove of my raspberry trimming. What do you think, Nanny?
We brought asparagus. We brought asparagus, okay? We brought manure, a fridge for your hut, or your dome, and then in here, we brought some more raspberries if you didn't have enough.
Ooh, plenty.
And some strawberries.
Holy, that's a lot of fruit.
And then we're going to take this home with us. This was on sale at Superstore.
That's pretty sweet.
Look at this, is full.
That's a tomato plant, looks like.
Full of tomatoes. Look at this one right here.
Wow.
So if we can get that planted.
After being so rudely interrupted by Mom and Nanny, I helped them unload some things and bring them over to the garden.
Are you sure that's not going to fall over? Okay.
Nanny, of course, had to inspect the property, all of her flowers and bushes. She seemed to approve. We got a little distracted there for a minute, but I gotta find my nippers. I was helping Nanny over in her garden, doing a little weeding and stuff, so hopefully I can continue cleaning these guys up. Can't seem to find the clippers. Found them. All right, I've got the raspberries all cleaned up over there. So I'm gonna see if I can't take out the whippersnipper around them a little bit. Try to clean up the property as much as I can. Haven't had the whippersnipper running yet, so we'll see. Maybe I'll move on to the chainsaw, but we'll find out, I guess, here in a minute. So at the very least, I know it's going to need a new fuel mixture. Actually, I think it's out of fuel right now. So at least a new fuel mix. We'll see if I can get it to start. Let's mix up some fuel. I know the canister, if you can read it, says 50 to 1. The mix for the whippersnipper says 40 to 1, so it's fine. It's fine. Ugh. Need 100 mil of this. We got 700, we gotta go down to 600. Whoop. Just about right there. It's approximate. Swirl it around, mix it up just a little bit, and then pour it in the gas tank. Come on. Alright, we'll try a little quick start in the air filter maybe. So just taking a quick look-see in here. I was wondering, it should have been taken off, but it looks like, look, those fuel lines, the return and the supply, not even attached. I got a parts one. I'll bring up and see if I can't replace that fuel line. That'd be why she wasn't starting out. I got my parts one here. Let's see what we got for little thing right here. It's not quite the same, but let's see what we can do. Grip that. Can't shove it on the end of this piece. Putting that up on that burr right there. Alright, I guess this is moment of truth. Very little quick start. Choke it. Everywhere. Why is fuel leaking everywhere? Oh, we're so close. One little spritz and we should have her. I have done time quite a bit, so I'm just gonna clean up, and I think I'm done for today. Good day. Good day.
And you can't resist luring you in closer. Guess I got a jinx. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. Got so much I need to cover.
Hey, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, I'd love for you to like, subscribe, and even hit the little bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video.
I don't